Hello friends, if your Mac is working very slow, your operating system is very sluggish and showing a lot of errors, then this video is for you. There are many factors evolving to slow your Mac, but in today's video I will explain one of the factor, that name is cache, which occupied lot of space in Mac hard drive to make him slow. Today video I will explain how we can remove caches from Mac. So let's start. So here we go. We have to tick on go, then go to folder. Here there is / and library. Press enter and you can see caches. So these caches, select all and all to be deleted. So these are occupied lot of space from Mac. So here we will select all and move to trash. It's clear. So again one time we will go to folder, just remove this and again library. So here you will find another file. So here these caches, again move to trash. So enter here password and OK. Some of the file will be not deleted. So once you will reboot your system, it will be automatically deleted. So all caches are removed from Mac. So after this, just go to system setting, general, storage. You can see your space are increased. The unnecessary files are deleted from Mac. So in this way you can delete all caches from your Mac. So this is the video. If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel to get more informative video.